pretty. Oh my God. Look how pretty this is. Let's do it in real time. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Me, I'm doing amazing. So hopefully you do enjoy this video. If you do, let me know. And there is going to be something that I bought with my own money that I'm so excited to share with you guys and get into, because it's from a brand that I've dove into a little, but not like super deep. So this is gonna give me the opportunity to do so. Okay, so next up is something that I bought with my own money. I went ahead and got it while it was on sale. Like during the Cyber Monday, Black Friday craze, I was like, okay, I need to get this. I need to get it because it's just like so stinking cute and I can't open it. The 𝐼HeartRevolution Tasty Christmas Hamper. Woo! It is so cute. And I just love the packaging that it's in. Like, I can keep this forever and always. Now wait till you guys see what's on the inside. This thing is normally like $50, but I got it on sale because I'm a thrifty shopper. When I got it on sale, it was like $35. So excited. I've been wanting to try their products, which I have tried their highlighters before. Love and adore, so good. I'm actually wearing it right now, like, oh, she glowing. Oh yeah, she glowing. And then, what was it? Did I try something else from them? I think it was just their highlighters I've only tried. Like, I've tried the little heart ones, and then I tried this really cute snowman one. I think it's like the hot chocolate. Oh, packaging is so cute. And I really just love their packaging too, and I love their formulas. They're really, really good. And I just think that their like packaging and stuff is just so cutesy. But yeah, so excited to finally have some more products from them so that I can try them more. You know what I'm saying? And like, you know, hopefully one day they'll put me on their PR list. You know what I'm saying? That would be amazing. Okay, so first up, I have this Cranberry makeup fixer. I wonder what this smells like. I don't know, let's open it up and see. Oh my God, I can smell it already. It does smell like cranberries. I think there's like a little glisten in here, so let's put it on. Ooh, ooh. Refreshing. It does have like a little cranberry scent to it. Ooh, I like it. Okay, this is cute. Okay, it feels good. Feels good. So obviously this isn't going to be mattifying. It's going to probably bring more of like a glisten. It smells really nice. The like disbursement of it, like, kind of like shoots you in the face. But I like that. And I can already feel it's kind of like drying on my skin. It does kind of feel like a little tacky right there. But I like that. That's okay, because you know what? Sometimes I do like to spray my face with setting spray before I put my foundation on. So that's a good one. Okay. And I even got this little cute beauty sponge. This just feels like a regular old little beauty sponge. Very cute. Very cutesy. All right. Look how cute this is. This is like the cutest thing. Don't mess up my packaging. This is like the cutest thing ever. Look at this packaging, you guys. This is the Cranberry Jelly Highlighter Palette. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. I cannot. And yeah, it is like a beveled type of packaging. So pretty. Look at that shine. Let's see how it swatches. How does it feel? It feels nice. It feels nice. Ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if I can wear this though. Is it going to be too dark for me? I'm not sure. Let's see. Ooh. So pretty. Now let's look at the other one. Where's it at? Right there. Okay, yeah, that one's, ooh, that one's a little darker, right? Here are the swatches. I think those are cute. You know what one? I really like this one right here. That one's really pretty. It doesn't smell like anything. Product, okay, now here is a bubble bath cream. I really love to take little nice bubble baths. So this is gonna be perfect. Let me see if I can open it so I can see what it smells like. Makeup Revolution. Ooh. Ooh. I like that. Okay, I like that. I might be using this tonight. Ooh, and I can already tell a little bit goes a long way. I can already tell. You ready? My favorite part. Oh my God, how cute. Oh my God. Yes. This came with 2 palettes. A lippy and another lippy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You would think they sent me PR. I'm so excited, right? Well, listen, I like to buy stuff that I like. Look how cute this packaging is. And once again, it is beveled or embossed. I don't know, whatever you would call it. This is the Gingerbread Palette. So freaking cute. So cute. Okay, I gotta open it though. Ah, okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at the pretty colors. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Would you guys want a whole video on this? Like a whole like get ready with me using 𝐼𝐧𝐬 Revolution or that. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Ooh. Do we want to swatch one? Ooh, that one's really pretty. Oh my God. Look how pretty this is. Let's do it in real time. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Okay, let's do a matte. That was Sugar Cookie. We're gonna do Sweet Honey. We're gonna see how this one does. Okay. Yes, honey. And ooh, look how nicely that blended out. Girl. It doesn't smell good. It just smells like makeup, but honey, we impressed. Yes, we so impressed. Love that, love that. All right, that's the Gingerbread Palette. And now here is the pumpkin pie. I love pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is my favorite, like holiday dessert. Let it submit. These are pretty. Very, very pretty. They look very like lush. I don't know, just so gorgeous. Living. Okay, we're going to do a swatchy. We're going to go into Occasion. Now there is some fallout whenever I swatch, but whatever, I don't care. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Y'all saw that happen. Woo, honey, that was sexy. All right, now we're gonna do, see, here's the fallout if you can see, but that doesn't bother me. Whatever. And then this one right here. Okay, that is the matte. Now this one is the Sugar Cranberries. Purple is hard to do, I guess I hear a lot of companies say, but that builds really nicely and like it's blending really nicely with my fingers. So hopefully it does the same with a brush. But oh, beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, so I'm very happy with my purchase, 𝐼𝐧𝐬 Revolution. Yes, honey, you did it. These are adorbs. Woo, I'm so happy with my buy. Okay, so now let's get into the little lippies. This is called Cranberry. Do you see what I just did? It smells really good though. I'm okay with it. It smells like vanilla cookies. Ooh, I love that smell. All right, and then this one here is, ooh, this is a gorgeous color. I love that. Okay, let's do this, baby. Ooh, it's nice and like nudie patootie. Love that. Put on my little lips. Ooh, yes, baby. Ooh, ooh, I love that color. Ooh, I love that color. Yes, I love this color. So pretty and very soft, and it went on really nice. Okay, I'm such a fan, and the packaging is like really, really cute. I don't know what this is called. I don't know, maybe it's called like gingerbread or something. I don't know, but it's like super duper cute. All right, so then let's put this one on. I never used her lipsticks before. It smells so good. Ooh, ooh. I don't know how this is gonna dry down. Let me see. I gotta get my mirror. Okay, so I'm not too into this formula. It's kind of hard to like maneuver, like for me, because I have small lips. Like whenever I first put it on, there was like a buildup, a line right here. So not too fond of the liquid lip, but maybe when, you know, if I'm off camera, I can finesse it and make it better. But ooh, love the bottom lip. And this doesn't have a smell. Love this right here. Love it. Very nice. Very soft. It feels creamy. And it goes on beautifully. Nice and opaque. This one, not so much. Kind of sheer. But yeah. I'm happy with my buy. I think this is $35 well spent. Okay, you guys. So I guess that's the end of my video. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me. If you want to see more from 𝐼HeartRevolution, if you want to see like a get ready with me, definitely let me know and I will put that together for you guys. And thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everyone has a beautiful and blessed day. Bye-bye.